This is a video of Jane trying to fix her birthday puzzle.
I don't look at camera, I'm so funny. Huh?
Let the camera look at her.
Say hi, Jane!
Hello! 7.
Eat. With my egg that ugly. No, wrong way.
8, 9.
I think a computer with the Chinese words and the...
Where's the party at?
Say hi to the camera! Hey, Sherino. 10, 11, 12.
Hey, I haven't high fashion yet. 21.
Go, high fashion.
I'll lick up this.
This is not day one.
Come, Fauzi, high fashion.
Yeah, no problem. Wait, let me push the chair a bit.
Okay, we give her one hint.
Wow, that's helpful.
Hey, very helpful, okay?
The Chinese character just confused her even more.
Yeah, my Chinese is horrible. Incan!
Looking for flu, right? How much is from 14 to flu?
Yeah! Not bad, you completed half the puzzle already.
How long did she take?
1 minute.
Video
Yes.
Oh my god, hey faster! Hi everyone! Hi, it's me! Hello! Don't post it on Facebook or YouTube or whatever! I'll be famous! Woo! Look at Shireen. No. Shireen's a man, by the way.
Yes, I'm a man, but...
We got it.
Now you can post it.
Yeah, now you
No! The rumors are true. I, for one, have verified it.
How?
Is this supposed to go here?
Then I said she was my boyfriend.
Hey, what are you doing here, Michelle?
Calling the person who's going to London.
Oh, okay.
Yay! Okay, Jane, smile with the puzzle.
Face drop.
Yeah.
Yo, don't start like that.